SB is set for another standout year in 2025, continuing its legacy of top-tier collaborations and strong general releases. Among the highlights is the Nike SB Dunk Low Red Stardust, slated for release this spring. This sneaker blends the warm tones of Red Stardust and Monarch to evoke a serene desert sunset. The design is elevated with soft orange accents on the tongue and toe box, delivering a welcoming, cozy vibe. Earthy neutral olive tones appear on the swoosh and outsole, grounding the colorway with a natural contrast. The overall effect is both artistic and functional, making it a standout addition to the SB Dunk lineup. More than just a stylish release, the Red Stardust reflects a return to skateboarding's roots, blending performance with expressive design. Fans can expect the Nike SB Dunk Low Red Stardust to release via SNKRS on June 14, retailing at $120 US. It's poised to be a must-have for sneaker enthusiasts and skaters alike.